morning full of color and energy. From cycling rallies to Zumba sessions. Yoga to rejuvenate your mind and soul. And a dash of street football to exercise your muscles. There is something to entertain everyone.
It's a good thing that for a certain period of time the roads are free for the people to enjoy the way they want without their two-wheelers or their four-wheelers.
Rahagiri Day is a weekly street event that provides citizens with the opportunity to reclaim their streets and celebrate their city. Started in 2013 in Gurgaon, the overwhelming response to this idea made it a weekly ritual in Delhi as well.
If you look at the accident profiling, the majority of the people who are getting killed in cities are the people who are outside the vehicle, which are the pedestrian and the cyclist. And the prime reason for this death or this road traffic death is that the infrastructure is not designed for them. So we don't have space for people to safely walk, we don't have space for people to safely cycle. And when we went to the people who planned the infrastructure, that why are you not designing for them? The response that we got was that these are all outdated concepts. In India, as we move forward, as we develop more, there's a lot of aspiration for people to use their cars, to use their two-wheelers. So we thought of let's change this concept, let's change this perception, and can we demonstrate a proof of concept that if we give safe infrastructure, the people will walk and cycle.
It's 7 AM and Pankaj and Rachna are all set for their Sunday ritual. An outing that the entire family looks forward to. Armed with sports equipment of their choice, the Rahagiri Day in Gurgaon has something to offer for all four of them.
We have great fun over here and we all enjoyed here. My son has played cricket and my little son has played football, and my wife was busy with yoga.
Few activities which we deliberately organize, and there are few areas and time slots and places where we leave it for people to come and do on their own. So for example, the physical activity, the physical exercises and all, that is very structured, which happens every Sunday. But there are a lot of impromptu activities which happen. There's a band performances, there are a lot of skate, a lot of people come and play the games which we used to play, the pittus and the kho-kho and all and that kind of stuff. So a lot of people have found their own niche in Rahagiri, which is what it drives them.
One of the key organizers of the event, Embark India, along with its team of volunteers, worked closely for months with the police and the municipal corporation in association with the Times Group to make this event a success in the national capital as well.
I'm there every Sunday on Rahagiri Day, and I organize activities that are done there. So people contact us for different things, like they want to do street plays, they want to do dancing, they want to do singing, they just want to come and cycle on the Rahagiri Day. They have questions about what Rahagiri Day is, so responding to all of that.
According to a recent survey done by Embark India, about 3.5 lakh people participated in the event till April 2014. 87% started walking or cycling for short trips, and there was an improvement in air quality during the Rahagiri hours.
Typically, a Rahagiri event sees 10,000 plus people participating. So we have over 1 million people who have participated in Rahagiri Day. We have also seen some of the positive impact which has come from Rahagiri Day. So for example, in Gurgaon, we have seen the area where the Rahagiri Day happens, because Rahagiri Day we also use to kind of raise the awareness of road safety, has seen 10% reduction in fatal accidents in that area.
This is creating so much awareness that slowly and steadily everybody is talking, yes, what can I do about it? Why not me go on a bicycle? Why not me walk to a short distance? And that, supported by the traffic management, will be a great thing.
एक वोटर जो अपनी वोट का प्रयोग करके सरकार को बना भी सकता है.
The Rahagiri Day is not just a day that promotes health, well-being and fitness, but also a platform that helps to educate school children and citizens on social issues through street plays.
जन अभियान जो एक कार्यक्रम है उससे हम लोगों को जोड़ रहे हैं, अपनी बात बहुत दूर तक लोगों तक पहुंचा रहे हैं इसके माध्यम से।
India's first sustained car-free citizen initiative.
For a change on the busy roads, you got to do a lot of activities which you will not do otherwise. So it's good to start the day and do different things on the road.
I work in a professional company and in a construction environment. So this Ragiri Day gives me a great pleasure. It keeps me exciting over the weekend so that I can spend some time with my family and friends.
With music in the air and happy Rahagirs all around, it seems this movement will only grow in number and magnitude.